It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my NPHC inspired nail designs. These are all 9 of them here. I am about to put them on the display trays, so if you guys haven't seen the video of how I do that, then definitely check that video out, okay? But if you were wondering, what do I do with them when they are all on these little sticks? Look at this little case I got. So with this case, all you have to do is just slide this out and you can have all of your nail designs and everything on here. So I'm going to put all of my NPHC nails on a page. So yeah, you guys can just watch me do that. So for this part of the video, it is basically going to be like a time lapse of me setting up all of these displays for the NPHC inspired series. That series just ended. If you missed any of those videos, definitely check them out. Check all of them out. It's 9 of them because it's 9 organizations in the NPHC. So I did a video for each organization by using the colors of that organization to create a look. So I kind of talked about this a little bit in the very first video, but I gathered gel polishes, rhinestones, glitters, things like that in that organization's colors so that I could just create a look. The note cards that you see are the designs that I had in mind, and most of them did not go along with the previous design I had in mind. As I sat down with all of the supplies, everything just worked out and what was created was amazing. So I'm happy with how all of them came out. And I got this case so that I can keep all of my designs in a nice organized way. But when I pull out a drawer and look at each past design, it just takes me back to that moment when I created that. Like when I look at the Earth Day nails, it just takes me back to that moment. So I really enjoy this. Instead of pulling out my roll of tape, I used the tape that was already on the back of the nails. So that's what you see me doing. I'm just taking those little pieces and piecing them together so that I can recycle them. But I really think it's a great thing to keep a portfolio of your work. And in this case, being able to just pull out a little slide and say, hey, this is from this series, or this is from this collection of videos that I made, that just makes me very proud to just look back and see what I did. Also for progress, looking back at work that you did a long time ago and work that you did now, you can start noticing those differences. But if you don't have anything to look back at, you won't be able to be proud of yourself and compliment yourself for how you have grown. Right now I'm putting everything on the front of the slides, and eventually I will start putting them on the back. Now I am turning them all over so I can put the tape on the back. And I'm still, using that recycled tape. I have been seeing a lot of people do a zodiac series with all of the zodiac signs, and I didn't really want to do that because I saw a lot of people doing it. So with this series, I wanted to take something that I was, familiar with me being in a sorority and everything, and just use that as inspiration. So if you guys have some other series in mind that you would like me to kind of show my point of view on, definitely put that in the comments so that I can start working on that footage. I do have some unboxing videos coming up of some things that I have recently received, so I'm excited about that. Now I'm going to put them all on this sheet, and I'm going to try to get them as neat and in a straight line as possible. They did not come out as straight as I would like them to, but I can always go back in and fix that later. So definitely leave a big thumbs up on this video, comment on this video and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.